Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete comments from your Instagram post. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, we can go to our profile on Instagram and choose a post you want to delete the comments from. For instance, I'm going to delete comments from this post, so I'm going to open this post. Then we can go to the comment section and choose the comment you want to delete from your Instagram post. And here, as you can see, I got some comments from this account on my post, and I'm going to delete this comment. For example, we just need to tap and hold on the specific comment we want to delete, and there will be some options for you. And since we want to delete comments, we can select delete. Okay, and now the comment has been deleted, and I'm going to practice it one more time. Tap and hold on the comments you want to delete and just click on delete. Alright guys, and that's how we can delete comments from our Instagram post. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.